It's nice to have a reason to buy lingerie.
Honey, what do you think? He's pretty hot.
Well, my parents gonna see this.
We'll plead the fifth on whether or not we consummate it.
Plead the fifth on that one.
Not saying a thing.
Of course.
Yes.
No, we were wore out from the day. We had a busy day. We had a busy morning. We had a busy night. We were wore out.
Ooh, maybe we'll plead the fifth on that one.
That's none of your business.
I think that'll stay between us.
No comment.
No comment.
No comment.
I don't.
I think we'll leave some stuff to the imagination.
You can answer.
I'm not going to say one way or the other.
That is between a newly wedded couple, but yes, we did. Oh God, his mother-in-law is going to see this.
Who would we be if we didn't?
Let's just say we want more kids.
No. I'm sorry.
Big time. And I'm pretty positive that our 2-year-old son came from that night. I am putting my money, if there was a scientific way to prove it, I'm putting my money on that night. First try.
No. The morning after.
Honestly, it was such a busy day and such a long day that we even stayed in a hotel that night. And right when we got there, I think we both just fell asleep.
Yeah, but the next morning we did.
We did. I'll answer it. We did. That was our first time. And that was important to us because we want our marriage to reflect the oneness that Christ made for the church. And so waiting for marriage is just that view to the world of that sacrifice that he made for us to be one with us.
Ann and I, we wanted to wait until marriage. And so we'll let people, conclude what they will from that.
No, we had McDonald's instead because we were tired. So I said, no, we're going to bed.
It didn't happen.
Yes. Instead of going to McDonald's.
All I'll say is that we brought a massive platter of chicken fingers from our after party up to our hotel suite and devoured that. So that was really my favorite ending of the evening.
Right.
Our families are going to watch this.
Hell no.
Hell no.
I felt like there was a lot of pressure going into it leading up. So we kind of talked about it before and agreed to not if we weren't feeling like that. And then we were at the after party and I was like, Arlo, let's go dance in our room. And he was like, okay. And then we got back and I just started eating all of the snacks and he was like, I'm going to bed. So then he helped me take off my shoes and then we just went to bed.
I mean, we missed our after party.
No one saw us after.
I think we fell asleep immediately.
No, actually,
The next day.
The next day. So we know we did not consummate our marriage the night because we had friends staying in our house. Yeah. And by the time we got home from the dance hall, I was exhausted. Her foot was broken.
Yeah, we were propping up my foot on a pillow.
We actually did not. We had kind of late evening activities. We had a bonfire for our guests. And then, we just went back to our house where several people in the wedding party were staying and crashed.
Because most of our friends kind of live all over the place, it's so hard to get them all in one place that we were really focused on being able to hang out with them. Instead, we went to the hotel room and they had given us a bottle of champagne and some chocolate covered strawberries. So we ate those really quick and then went up to the bridal suite where all of our friends
took the champagne and then shared it with friends.
We did not. We were way too tired. We played Monopoly with our wedding party. We played Squishmallow Monopoly with the wedding party that night. We made up for it on the honeymoon.
That's all rude.
So we're gonna keep that disclosed. We're not fans.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, but we were already married, so it doesn't matter.
I think even on the day we did get married, I don't think we did.
Life is busy, okay?
Technically did not consummate it on the wedding night because we were out way too late clubbing. But we had the bachelorette party Friday night. We got back to our hotel room at 2:30 and we had a pre-consummation night, I suppose, if you want to call that.
Unfortunately, no, because my husband decided to stay out at our after party longer than I did, and I was literally passed out on a couch in another room. No, absolutely not.
No, we stayed out and we partied with our friends all night. And
We got home at like 3 a.m. and
at 3 a.m., taking out how many bobby pins out of your hair? That was enough.
yeah, I had about like 8 pounds of extensions in my hair. So like that's really all we did.
No, too tired. People were over till 3:34, so not that night.
We were both extremely tired.
She passed out.
Yeah, as soon as we got back, I fell asleep and she hung
I spent
out.
the rest of the night drinking with our bridal party.
I prefer not to say that in front of my parents.
Nope.
After cleaning up the venue, after dancing for hours, I had to pass out.
My feet hurt so bad. I didn't want to move. But yes, of course, we consummated our marriage on our wedding night.
That is a private thing that we're going to keep private.
Absolutely not. I don't know how anyone can. We had way too many sloshy.
We were so, we were so wiped out after the wedding, but we found some energy. I don't know.
We were exhausted. We were like, and now we'll go to bed.
We were too drunk. I think we waited until everybody was gone, maybe the next night or something.
Yeah.
We did not. We partied all night long, and then I got really drunk, and I actually left the wedding without telling my husband that I left. I just got my mom. I said, "Mom, I'm done. I need to go." And she like packed me up in the car and took me back to the hotel room. And then my mom gets a phone call from my husband. He's like, "Mom, where's Kylie? Have you seen Kylie? She didn't even tell me she was leaving. Is she okay?" Yeah, I got her back. She's safe. She's in the room." And the next thing I know, it's the next morning. I wake up and I have my husband and my 2 kids in my arms. And I was like, oh, perfect. So no consummating the marriage.
Inquiring minds want to know, but just remember, Virginia is for lovers.
It was a long night.
Isn't consomme a type of soup?